Hey guys, I hope you're doing well, and I'm going to kind of talk you through this lesson because the assignment that goes with it, I am going to be grading on accuracy. I really need you guys to be able to follow this formula. This is called the quadratic formula, and it is here in the Nearpod. The quadratic formula is used to find those solutions, the roots, the zeros, the x-intercepts of the parabola when we don't have that whole number. And so you can see in this graph, those x-intercepts are between -1 and 0 and 0 and +1. And so we use a quadratic formula to find those exact decimal values. This is what the formula looks like. I know some of you are looking at it and it's a little intimidating, but we take it one piece at a time. The x value is going to be equal to the negative b value or the opposite b value. This right here is going to be for plus or minus. So that means we're going to be solving this twice, one time with a plus sign and then one time with a minus sign. And then we're going to have the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c. And all of that's going to be divided by 2a. Now, don't overstress. We're going to simplify this, but we won't break it down all the way, especially I know some of us don't have that calculator installed or are unable to get it installed. So you will never have to really memorize this formula. It's going to be on your formula chart. And if we were in school, I would have it there for you. And if you had to take the STAR test, it would be on the formula chart. But you guys, we're not worrying about that right now. So I'm going to skip this song. You'll see it later. If you look underneath that square root sign, the b squared minus 4ac, this is referred to as the discriminant. And you always want to break that down first, because if you break it down and you get a positive value, it's telling you you have two solutions. So that's telling you you're going to have to work this out twice. If you get 0, everything cancels out. That means you have only one solution. So the vertex can be right on the x-axis. Where if you solve and you get a negative value, it could be -1, it could be -1,000. It doesn't matter. If it's negative, that means there is no solution. This parabola will never cross or touch the x-axis. And so you can just stop there and say no solution. So it saves you time because you're going to have to break it down anyways. So if you just focus on that part first, you'll be able to tell how many solutions you have. For the rest of this Nearpod, I want you to go ahead and watch the video that Ms. Adami has created. It's very, very good.